Are you there, Shekhar Verma, sir?
Yes, I'm here, sir.
Oh,
Good evening.
please. So, friends, we are going to start our validity session, and we have with us Professor Shekhar Verma. He is a senior faculty from Indian Institute of Information Technology, and currently, sir is heading, looking after this the charge of Dean Human Affairs. So we all are talking about this behavioral finance, and behavioral finance is all about this human behavior, and sir is the dean human affairs, who can be the better person to represent entire triple IT in this valedictory session and in this entire workshop on behavioral finance. So sir, if you, with your permission, let us start with the feedback of the
Yes, sir.
participants.
Please start.
Yes.
Please
So
start.
participants, we have done this entire exercise for the last 5 years. We have been actively engaged in teaching and learning of various aspects of behavioral finance. So now we would like to have your feedback. So anyone, please volunteer. We'd like to have your feedback so that we can improve, or what are the areas where we should improve, where we are lacking, or anything that you wish to state at this point of time. That will be really very helpful for us.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
I
Yes,
would
good
like
evening.
to say something.
This is Dr. Amit from Assam University, and
Yes, Amit. Yes, Amit.
this is the second time I have been attending this summer school on behavioral finance, and it has always been a great experience to be a part of this workshop of summer school. Firstly, I congratulate the organizers for conducting it so nicely and arranging everything so smoothly. And they also took care of the convenience of the participants, and for that they genuinely deserve a huge congratulation. And definitely this could not have been so interesting without the active involvement of Dr. Ranjit sir. Definitely it is the brainchild of Dr. Ranjit Singh. So for that he also deserves a big congratulation. First of all, I would like to say that the content of the workshop was so nicely framed that it covered almost all the aspects of the area of behavioral finance. Yeah, I will say the most important aspects of the behavioral finance. As a researcher, what a researcher or as a academician must know about behavioral finance, all the aspects were very nicely covered, and was a nice blending of resource persons drawn from various parts of both our country as well as abroad. And the organizers tried their best to present before us the most efficient and persons with authority in the field of behavioral finance. Thanks a lot for this. It could not have been possible for many of us to listen to those resource persons had we not been participated in this workshop. So for that matter, thank you so much. Thanks a lot to all the entire team of this fourth SSBF. I hope that this will continue in the future also, and we will be able to experience definitely much. There is no end to improve. So definitely we'll be able to experience a much better workshop every time we participate, and that we will be having an experience that no, it is much better than the last one, or it is this particular aspect is much better than the previous one. Yes, definitely organizing such a huge workshop on online platform is definitely very much challenging. Because there will be technical glitches, it is in no one's control. So that will definitely happen. Bearing all this all together, we enjoyed a lot. I believe I at least enjoyed a lot during this whole workshop. there were some of the lectures from some of the resource persons which could not be as good as the others had. But definitely, as it is a service, it cannot be generalized as because of the human quotient that will happen. But definitely over the time, we will be able to have a better, more, quality oriented workshop. Thank you so much, Ranjit sir. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Amit, for your feedback.
Ranjit
Sir,
sir,
Sir, I'm Dr.
sir.
Sri Janani.
Yeah, madam, please.
Sir, I'm Dr. Sri Janani from Vignan Jyoti Institute of Management, Hyderabad.
Yes, ma'am.
This is my first summer school on behavioral finance. And from the inaugural till now, till the session we had just now, all the sessions went on very, very well. And then we had an amazing collection of speakers. And then whether we talk about that session on herd behavior or that session on prospect theory or the one that data protection, mental accounting, and the one that Jayashree ma'am has taken real life stories, and the immediate previous one which Priyank Sharma ma'am has talked about qualitative research in behavioral finance by Kajal, which was on social network analysis. Each and every session, I mean, we cannot compare. I personally feel we cannot compare one faculty with other, or one speaker with other, or one person's experience with other. But each session was an amazing session, sir. Thanks for conducting such a beautiful workshop or summer school on behavioral finance. And I would love to be there for the future summer school sessions as well. I thank you very much. Thank you, Ranjit Singh sir, and all the people who are behind the conducting of this summer school, and also all those who have conducted the various sessions. Thank you, one and all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for your this nice words of appreciation.
This is Nayan Jyoti Bhattacharya ji from Poland University.
Yes, Nayan.
Actually, I am also, I'm participating in this workshop for the second time. Last year also I was part of the third summer school. Let me kind of take this opportunity to first congratulate the entire team for this successful event. Credit, of course, goes to you, Ranjit sir, for all the initiative and the planning behind the scenes. I'll agree with my fellow participants when they say that the sessions were resourceful and rich. All the resource persons tried their best to share the knowledge with us so that we can actually, gain insights into the various aspects of behavioral finance. What is more important for us to realize is at this stage is in this event, the learnings that we had in the past few days. We should all try and somehow work on ideas and try and perhaps collaborate with each other so that the best of research can be done in the area of behavioral finance. Of course, without collaboration, collecting data or the requisite insights and the expertise to collect data might be a little difficult in my opinion. So I believe this workshop will actually encourage us to collaborate and undertake future research in the area of behavioral finance. Once again, my heartfelt congratulations to the entire team at IIIT Allahabad for the wonderful workshop. I believe this this event will feature among the best in the country going ahead, and I think this event with each year will grow in both the impact as well as the number of participants. My best wishes to the entire team. Thank you.
Thank you, Nayan. Thank you.
Sir, good evening.
Ranjit sir, this is Dr. Vikas Kumar from Obra Government PG College.
Yes, Vikasji.
First of all, I congratulate entire team, and I want to say that I have been attended first and fourth winter School of Behavioral Finance but I say today that I have missed second and third one. And I am joining with my 3 students, Sasank Srivastava, Jhuma Das and Shivam Verma. Daily after ending the session, we discuss together what a wonderful program organized by you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thanks. Actually, this program is meant for we all people. It's a collective learning platform for each one of us.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Good evening, Ranjit sir.
Ranjit sir, good evening. I'm
evening.
Tushar.
Sir, thank you so very much for a wonderful School of Behavior Finance, sir. It was so what will call. There is no word to say about. We can say no. I mean, sometimes there is nothing to say about. That is the condition of. I have attended last time also. This time also it was truly amazing. And Kajal ma'am, a special note to you for your effort. And each and every elite gurus, sir. We can look ahead to learn more and more during the 5th session also. And meantime, we can do something towards this our behavior finance section, sir. With your blessing as well as your guidance, sir.
Thank you, Prasant.
Can I say, sir?
Yes,
May I
yes.
also speak?
Yeah, sir, sorry for the interruption. Yeah, sir, actually, I attended, this is my second time attending. Last year I attended, I had given the feedback, and all those suggestions were incorporated this time, and so many changes you have done. I must really appreciate, sir, how beautiful you have conducted this program for the benefit of our student and teaching community. In fact, we say, no, that is actually the real, when the crisis comes, we have to fight it against it to bring success. You have really brought it, sir. Like we say, please don't feel bad when I say this, we know Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the king who has done so much for the society. Like that, you are also doing very great things for the society, sir. I should really.
You are comparing me to such a great personality. I'm only
No,
sharing the
sir.
name only.
No, sir, not at all. Actually, that is a simplicity, sir, which like Bawal, sir, you are like a very simple man. Actually, that simplicity only made you achieve great heights, sir. That should I tell you. You are blessed, sir. Thank you, sir. And I should tell you that any program, once a member, always a member. Now we are going to become a part of SSBF. Next time, any programs, anywhere, we will come. Our presence will be there with you, sir. That is we are achieving that.
Thank you, Tushar.
See, our support is there. Okay,
Thank you.
and we want to collaborate papers with you, sir.
Definitely.
So really, I appreciate and God bless you, sir, for everything
Thank you.
and your entire community, sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, all. Myself is Ann Binu. I am from Kerala and I am attending this summer school for the first time. Actually, I have not registered for my PhD. I am a faculty who is teaching ACCA, basically, which is not into Indian curriculum. And I am having a lot of confusion and fear when I was planning about my PhD. But my guide told me that the first thing you have to do is go and attend an FDP on this behavioral finance, which is conducted by Dr. Ranjit Singh. So after completing this first session, everyone will tell that well begun is half done. So I am much confident enough that I can move forward with my PhD. Thank you so much for this wonderful session, and next year also definitely we will be joining. And thank you so much for all the faculties or all the academicians who enlightened us with a lot of information so that we can grow and learn a lot of new things. Thank you so much for the entire team.
Thank you, madam.
Sir, now may I also speak?
Yes, sir.
Sir, this is Dr. Tawfiq Ahmed. I'm assistant professor in Jamia Islamia. Last year also I attended this program, and I'm also teaching behavioral finance for last 7-8 years. But still, I again attended this program. Purpose was this is very helpful in means updating and refreshing the knowledge. And apart from this, about Professor Ranjit, everybody has appreciated. That is no doubt. But I want to say something else. That
Yes, sir,
he is
please.
very talented. He is very talented person. I saw your YouTube channel yesterday. Means you are poet also, you are writer also, and you are singer also. And I was amazed to see that. Particularly, your one story was there regarding one something was certificate of hypocrisy. So that story was like everybody can say that that type of character is there in every department. So I hope today also we'll be able to listen your any poem.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. We'll do it later on.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, madam.
Hi, Professor Ranjit. Good evening. And good evening to one and all.
Good evening, ma'am.
Sir, first of all, I would like to congratulate you. It was a wonderful program which you conducted so successfully, managed everything, and your team, they worked so wholeheartedly. Very congratulations to you all. And for the program, I would like to say this is my first summer school which I attended, and I'm really so fulfilled, and I'm really happy to I'll be more happy to attend some more programs of yours. And it was all wholesome learning, I can say that. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for your kind words.
Something?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Kripa Kumar.
Greetings to everyone. This is Kripa Kaur from Pokhara University, Nepal. First of all, I would like to congratulate you all completion of this wonderful program, and this is my first opportunity to be part of the summer school. Very insightful and rich of knowledge. Due to the network issues, I was unable to participate. I learned from the YouTube videos as well, which you have posted there. Thank you for all this. And as we know, behavioral finance is the has multi-dimension, and we got opportunity. Behavior finance in this program, and I'm also looking forward for the collaboration, support, and knowledge sharing. Organizer, and thank you for taking me as participant for the program. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Friends, we have our friends from Bangladesh as well. Professor Sagir Hussain has joined us. Sir, are you able to hear us?
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, you are audible, sir. So,
is
sir,
it clear to everyone?
Yes, first of all, let me thank Professor Sagir Hussain for two things. First, for engaging a full session on transaction cost analysis, and second, for help facilitating us in getting some participants from Bangladesh and making this program spread its wing in Bangladesh as well. So, thank you, sir, for your kind gesture. Yes, sir, please.
Okay. Good evening, everyone. Thank you very much to the organizer for inviting me to the 4th Summer School of Behavior Finance and for giving me the opportunity to say something. Special thanks to my professor, Dr. Ranjit Singh, from the bottom of my heart. I'd also like to thank all those who have worked tirelessly to make this event a success. We discussed the different behaviors of investors here and tried to find out a lot. We heard and understood the names of many behaviors. Many of the behaviors may have been discussed here, but I don't think many have been discovered or discussed, just like as fingerprints. Every person's fingerprint is Fingerprints contain some of the lines that everyone has, as well as some common behaviors in each person that we have divided into several categories. But if you notice very well, fingerprint is as unique as human behavior is unique. But in real life, we may follow someone or try to absorb someone's behavior if we like it. In the case of investment or finance, I may follow someone or try to use any behavior I like. But the funny thing is, after a while, the behavior that used to be good may not be good anymore. So, when we analyze
Not audible.
Yes, that's why some problem is there in the network. So in the meantime, let us invite our guest of this valedictory session, Professor Shekhar Verma sir. Sir, to kindly bless us with your words of wisdom. Your words of wisdom are always kind of blessings for us. So sir, please.
Thank you, Professor Ranjit Singh, and let me inform all participants here before anything else that Professor Ranjit Singh is one of the youngest professors. He has just become a professor in IIIT Allahabad by the dint of his hard labor and brilliance. So I think we should all congratulate him for becoming a professor. It's not even a month just now. And he is one of the youngest member who was faculty member in IIIT Allahabad who has become a professor in management. So congratulations once again, Professor Ranjit.
Thank you, sir.
And I think that I'm listening along the adulations, the feedback from the participants has been wonderful, and I think I should congratulate and thank all the participants for joining this wonderful workshop. And this is the 4th edition of the workshop. But I believe and I see that every workshop is different from the other. It's an improved version. The edition is so different that we can attend all different editions and learn from them. And I also congratulate Professor Ranjit Singh for doing this, for ever improving the summer school and the workshop. And I know I have been associated with the workshop in different official capacities for the last 4 years. So this is a wonderful experience, I believe, for all of you. I also congratulate the young Turks. We have Dr. Shashikant Rai and Dr. Saurabh Mishra, who've been associated with this particular workshop, this organization, the senior research scholars who are associated and are actually the machine behind the front end that we have. And talking about behavioral finance, it's very interesting. You see, I'm from deep learning and machine learning. What we are trying to do is trying to make everything come within the fold of machine learning. See, and we have been largely successful. We have recommendation systems which are able to recommend what you are buying on Facebook, what your advertisements that you are seeing, what should be the recommendations on Amazon, on what should be the recommendations on Amazon Prime, on Hotstar, on Netflix. And we find that these recommendations are largely successful. What we also find is, if you look at your own Gmail, we find that the inference made by the machine in saying that this is spam and this is not spam, you find that we are able to customize it for individuals. But in the wonderful world of finance, I believe machine learning will not help. And thinking that everybody is rational, thinking that everybody is going to use information in a rational manner, in an efficient way, obviously is something that you cannot take for granted. And we have seen that this is something that requires us to study and study human beings from other perspectives. And what are those other perspectives? From the psychology of the particular person, from the strata that he comes, his background, his history, the social setting. So everything is important. Information from everywhere can flow. But as we human beings are, we are still trying to use information from different places, from social settings to our racial settings, from our psychological settings, from our psychiatric settings. We are trying to see if there is some rationality behind the so-called apparent irrationality in human decisions. And this is something which is very, very fascinating. From being in the world of machines and technology, forecasting everything that we are going to do now, what we are saying is that human being or human is still the boss of everything. He is at the center of the world. He's the center of our man-created world, the world of finance, the world of economics, the world of our own social society and the social network. It's human-centric. And it will be very good for us if we are able to say that, yes, tomorrow we say that human being cannot be reduced to certain qualitative or quantitative numbers or some measures. Still, there is something in the human being which cannot be penned down, which cannot be charted. And if you look at all these things, what they are doing, when we talk about reducing a person to information, we are trying to find out what is the universality in everything, the essence of his behavior. What we are lacking is that every human being is actually unique. We are not able to actually find what makes him different from others. What is the contrast? Every human being is different. Every human being cannot be really put into a bottle and studied. It cannot be. We cannot make a human being transparent. However hard you might try, it is simply not because we don't have tools for studying it. We have qualitative tools. We have the quantitative tools. We have machine learning. We have deep learning. We have so powerful algorithms and machines. Yet, why we are not able to do it? Simply because we don't have the information. We cannot really take little bit of information and keep on processing it till we get something which is not there in the information. The information is not there. We cannot really map a human being. Maybe tomorrow you'll be able to map his brain, but you'll never be able to map his personality, never be able to map his heart. And most importantly, it's not the individual who's important. An individual is in a social setting, a social network. So it's not just the individual cognitive behavior which is important. Even if you are able to do some good cognitive model, perhaps the good individual cognitive model, when it goes into the social setting, when he becomes a part of an interactive social system, when I talk to him and my behavior, my action, my decisions are not my decisions only. They are the decisions. They are influenced and they are conditioned upon my society, the people whom I interact, the machines whom I interact with. So my friends, what we learn from these workshops is that man keeps on trying and keeps on trying, and then finds that the human being has more depth, and never we will be able to say that he is unfathomable. But man truly is unfathomable. Thousands and millions of years of development, we have been conditioned. And that's what makes us interesting. We are not machines, never will be machines. And no machine, no deep learning, no machine learning, no amount of data, no theory will be able to chart the human being completely. But then, if we are able to learn from the human being, perhaps we'll have a better society tomorrow. We will be able to give him better healthcare. We will be able to make him have more satisfied life, and that is great. So the aim of all study is not just to widen your horizon of knowledge, but apply it. And finance is something which is very interesting, something which is unique to the human animal and something which is not there in other animals. So studying the human animal, and we find that society exists in other animals also, but human beings are unique, different. Human beings are distinguished by their risk-taking abilities, by their abilities to have a cognitive leap, an emotional leap, a leap of faith. So all these things need to be studied, and different disciplines. The beauty of what Dr. Ranjit Singh has done is that he has brought people from different states of the country, our wonderful neighboring countries, participants from abroad, speakers from abroad, brought them all together. Not only that, he has got practitioners, he has got psychiatrists, he has got people who have done their PhDs, who have done their masters, who are still in their masters, who are in bachelors, all of them on a single platform learning together. And this is something that represents the society, the cosmos. The individual is the cosmos. These set of participants who are learning, networking, and I hope this network continues for a lifetime for everyone. And may this particular heterogeneous come homogeneous group comes up with approaches, with theories, with analysis, with algorithms, with techniques which can really shape not just behavioral finance, which is individual centric nowadays, but as in the lecture Dr. Ranjit Singh observed in his lecture on social networking, that yes, we can really pin down social interactions also. So a human being as an individual, human being as a rational animal, human being as an emotional, irrational being, human being somebody who is a part of a big wheel in a social system, and above all, his individuality also shines. And this what, if you study the human being, you will be able to understand behavioral finance, my friends. And I believe learning from Professor Ranjit Singh's workshop, his wonderful set of resource persons, and ever more wonderful participants, really great. I think the feedback was wonderful. You could not just appreciate, but also tell, yes, every edition is different. I think I should again congratulate all of you, and I should also, from my core of my heart, thank you for calling me as a guest for this valedictory session. And you can join IIIT, you can collaborate with IIIT, not only as a student, but as a collaborators. We have different programs available for PhD for working professionals, PhD, MTech, MBA for people who wish to do that in a remote way. You can collaborate with different people. You can collaborate with Professor Ranjit Singh. And obviously he's a wonderful person, and as other coordinates are. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone on behalf of IIIT Allahabad, on behalf of our own country, India as well. Thank you for organizing such a wonderful workshop and making it a success, Professor Ranjit Singh. Thank you so much. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your kind words of
Thank you, sir.
encouragement. And
Thank you so
actually
much,
credit
Thank
goes
you.
to the entire team with me, Dr. Sasikant Rai, Dr. Saurabh Misra, and my research scholar Kajol. All of us are working in a team, and actually the credit goes to everyone. I'm just a mukhota, but actually the actual work is done by the team. So thanks for your
Congratulations. But anyways, congratulations to the entire team and the set of participants who have made this actually a real roaring success, I believe.
yes, sir.
Hello,
So-
sir. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible,
Hello?
Kajol.
Yes, sir. I was trying to speak, but mic was not working. I don't know why it happened. So, sir, you deserve a great round of applause because it is because of you, people all around the world are meeting on a single platform. And I have seen you working for any program right from the beginning of any program to the final day of the program, and it is your determination and hard work that makes it possible. And having such a hardworking and determined mentor gives me so much motivation and inspiration also. I remember that once I was asking about you that how such kind of idea like organizing a summer school on behavioral finance came into your mind, because in the year 2018 it was very new in India. And I was saying that very few people wants to connect to such kind of workshop, which is not very famous topic. So that time you told me that we should not focus on the quantity but the quality. If you have passion about something, then do it. Don't think about the quantity. You should always be passionate about your profession. You should always be passionate about the knowledge. Spreading knowledge should be something which on which we should focus more. So I still remember that line, and it was very kind words of you. And I have learned from you, and I will always be get to learn something from you. And thank you so much, sir, again for giving me such opportunities. And big thanks to all the respected faculties for creating and improving a healthy learning environment in the institute. And a big thank you from my side to all the participants, because they were very active and they were very patiently whenever there was any problem. All the participants, they never panicked. They were listening very patiently. So very thanks to all of you. And it is because of your your kind words that gives us motivation to continue such kind of program very smoothly. And sir, there is no word, I think, what should I say, जितनी भी तारीफ करूँ कम होगी sir, because you are the one who initiates everything, who initiated us, who motivated us, who encouraged us to be a part of such kind of program. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, Kajal. So from resource persons, participants and organizers, co-organizers, Dean, now we are 360-degree certified. Now I think we have...
hello, sir.
Yes.
So can I say something?
Yes, madam.
My name is Sumaya Gohar. I am from Aligarh Muslim University, and right now I am pursuing MBA. First of all, I would like to say thank you to sir. He's amazing mentor. I learned a lot from him. And also I would like to say thank you to Kajol ma'am. She's also an amazing, and they're amazing mentor. Actually, I was doing an internship under them, and indeed I learned from. And obviously this was my first session, and this was my first experience in SSB, and I learned a lot. This was an extremely informative, enjoyable, and fascinating and insightful. And indeed, learning from sir and the entire team and a resource person, this was an amazing session. I really enjoy and learn a lot. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for making a part of this team. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sumaya. So, thank you, friends. Now I think we came to the formal end of this our valedictory session. So, may I request Dr. Sasikant Rai to kindly deliver a formal vote of thanks.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm audible?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now I come to the toughest part to thank everybody who is directly or indirectly involved in the success of this program. Since this is the 4th summer school, we sat together, all three of us. For example, our directors are called at RSS, that Ranjit, Saurabh and Shashikant. We got together, as you know, we are here in Prayagraj, the conference of 3 rivers. So incidentally, we all three got together. And the objective was to, because as Kajol mentioned that it was the very recent field, and we were just thinking about whether we should start a summer school that would be continuing for the coming years, and it should be relevant, and it should appeal to the people, and it should contribute to the knowledge about which we are taking. So the idea was to come together and have a discussion, and with this discussion, especially what we do is we generate knowledge. And so we try to generate knowledge. It is not the one-way traffic, but it is the both-way traffic. It is the interaction between the participant and the you can say the resource person. Then we improve over the period of these 4 years. We have also tried to improve. Then the pandemic came, and we have to move from the offline mode to the online mode. So this was also a big learning for us. So there were many people or many persons involved in this journey. about 4 years, and especially this year. And so there is you can say a large list of persons that needs to be thanked for this summer school. So starting with, I will really thank our Dean Sir, Professor Shekhar Verma. He has been not only instrumental in you can say providing or facilitating us or promoting us with such events, but he has also been very instrumental. He has been doing his work. He is involved with machine learning and all this. We also had a great experience, especially if we talk about Dr. Saurabh Mishra and me. We have a great interaction since 10 years with him, and we have learned a lot. So he has been very helping hand for us, not only in academics, but other things, because apart from academics, when you come in academics, there are a number of things that needs to be learned. So I especially thank our Shekhar Verma sir, because he's a very busy person, not only in his research work, because he's also involved in many administrative activities of the institute. So thank you, sir, for taking your time and enlightening with your ideas and knowledge. So I thank Professor Shekhar Verma sir. And the next is Professor Rafiqul Bhunia, who is from the North Alabama University, for his thoughts on the option pricing. He introduced the option pricing. What is option pricing? So thank you, sir, for your contribution towards this summer school. The special thanks goes to Professor Amlesh Boal. He has been associated with us since the inception of this, you can say, the summer school. He has been very much, you can say, like a torch for us in this dark, you can say, when we were going into the uncertainty. So thank you, Professor Boal sir, for your guidance. Keshav Rao sir, for his, you can say, his views on the herd behavior and prospect theory that really help us to get the, you can say, insights into the real behavioral finance, what is a real behavioral finance, and definitely it will help the participant not only to understand their you can say the concepts of the behavioral finance, but it will definitely help whoever was trying to take as the research, further research in this area. It will definitely help them. Then Professor Divyajyoti Bhattacharya ji from Assam University, his thoughts on the data analysis were really interesting, and the way he presented his talk. So thank you, sir. Now, as today we have attended the session of Dr. Priyanka Sharma from IIM Lucknow. So thank you, ma'am, for your insights into the qualitative research of the behavioral finance. Now, the Professor Sagir Hussain, from his views on the transaction costs were very interesting, how to understand the various, the practical implication of these transaction costs. So, Professor Sagir Hussain, thank you for your contribution towards our summer school. Now, special thanks goes to one of our, you can say, contributors. She and incidentally she is one of the research scholar of Professor Ranjit Singh, or she has been doing research under what I collect under Ranjit Singh, that is Ms. Jayashree Bhattacharya, her real life stories about the various issues of the behavioral finance. Dr. Sana Mohit on the mental accounting, I really would like to thank her regarding her views on the mental accounting. Dr. R.M. Mishra on the nudge theory. So thank you all these resource persons, because without them it would not be possible to, you can say, churn the ocean of knowledge regarding the behavioral finance and get the nectar for further processing. What we can do, we are free to. So the thanks goes to our director, sir, HOD, and registrar, and various deans who has facilitated in different capacity. Without them, the various you can say the requirement of resources, the providing various resources on time and guiding us. So thank you to all these the persons involved. Special thanks goes to two of our team members, Dr. Ranjit Singh and Dr. Saurabh Mishra, because it may be, as he mentioned, that he is just a Mukhota. He is not a Mukhota. He is one of the, you can say, he is an engine, and we consider him as the, you can say, as he is also our senior. So he has been helping us how to conduct workshop, and thank you, sir, for your guidance and support. So I really thank Dr. Ranjit Singh. Dr. Saurabh Mishra, he is very important since the inception of this workshop. and he, as you see in the film, there are many people. So you can say he is one of the script writers of this program. So he is one of the important contributors as well. So thank you, Dr. Saurabh Mishra, for thank us as a team that we try to, you can say, deliver, and it is up to the participant to decide whether we were successful in delivering what we tried. Now, any workshop or any, you can say, summer school or any conference is not successful without the participant. So the participant are, you can say, is the core of any workshop. So I thank all the participants. Special mention goes to Sohib from Bangladesh, Haidri from Afghanistan, and Umesh Singh Yadav and Dr. Vaidehi. So I may mispronounce the name, so I really apologize for that. So these were the participants who has really provided us the insight and inputs, that because see, whenever we are conducting any workshop, conference, or any of the program, the feedback is very important. So the feedbacks of the participants were really enthusiastic, and since 4 years we have tried to incorporate these suggestions and try to improve that. So thank you for all the participants for your these years you have patient listening and you have contributed, and it was really a nice session for every resource person to interact with such participants. So thank you all the participants for coming today. Special thanks goes to our publisher who has PHI publication, who were very, you can say, fast in responding to our requirements. So a special mention goes to them. So thank you, PHI, for your support. So I thank everyone, to our non-teaching staff, Mr. Rajit Ram, for his all-time support. So I thank everyone, and I really hope that we will see you in the coming next, you can say, the workshop, or we will plan the next workshop. So thank you everyone thank you, sir. Over to you, sir.
So thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, finally, every good thing has to come to an end, and it's a time to say goodbye. So, thank you, each one of you, and can we have a group photograph? You just switch on your camera so that we can have a group photograph, groupie.
Sir, we should end with one of your poems.
Yes, the same I wanted to say. End with your poem only.
I'd like to listen something from you, sir.
Okay, the same poem that I have recited, I think in one of the class. So that just a bit extended version of that poem. This is from my book, Meri Pehchan Abhi Baki Hai.
You have a singer also.
But this time I will just recite, because that will be more beautiful. क्या हुआ जो तेरे साथ उड़ने लगा था, तेरे कहने पे ही तो आसमानों से मैं जुड़ने लगा था। तुझसे छोटे ही सही पंख मेरे पास भी थे, और देखकर तुझे उड़ानों के एहसास भी थे। ज्यादा जो उड़ लिया तो पंख काटने लगे, बारीकियां उड़ान में तुम छांटने लगे। मत काटो मेरे पंख, मुझ में उड़ान अभी बाकी है, मेरी पहचान अभी बाकी है, मेरी पहचान अभी बाकी है। एक ही बगिया के फूल थे मैं और तुम, एक ही बात पे लहलहाते थे मैं और तुम। तुमसे ही तो सीखा है मुस्कुराने का राज, जो भी हूँ जैसा भी हूँ तेरी वजह से हूँ आज। क्यों मेरी मुस्कुराहटों को भगाना चाहो तुम, मुस्कान मेरी पहचान इसे दबाना चाहो तुम। मत दबाओ मुझे, मुझ में मुस्कान अभी बाकी है, मेरी पहचान अभी बाकी है। जीवन की आंख मिचौली को साथ साथ हम खेले, यौवन की अंगड़ाई ली घूमे हम जीवन भर के मेले। मेले की इस चकाचौंध में कुछ तुम भूले कुछ मैं भूला, तुम भूले तो कोई बात नहीं, मैं भूला तो क्यों भूला। बेवफाई के हर इल्जाम का इम्तिहान हो गया हूँ मैं, जा रहे हो छोड़कर कि बेईमान हो गया हूँ मैं। मत छोड़ो मुझे, मुझ में ईमान अभी बाकी है, मेरी पहचान अभी बाकी है। संघर्षपूर्ण अतीत पर ऊंचाइयां भी महान थी, लड़े जीते। वो लड़ाइयां भी कहाँ आसान थी, हौसलों की उड़ान थी, उड़ान में भी जान थी, और बादलों के ऊपर उड़ना ही तो मेरी पहचान थी। नभ में मेरी झांकी मुस्कान अब भी बाकी है, आज भी जिंदा हूं मैं, मुझ में जान अब भी बाकी है। पर समझो मत मुझे अतीत का साया, समझो मत मुझे अतीत का साया, मेरा वर्तमान अभी बाकी है, मेरी पहचान अभी बाकी है। आओ फिर से आरंभ करें, शुभ का फिर से शुभारंभ करें, सुनहरा पथ जो पीछे छूट गया, कर्तव्य पथ पर कुछ टूट गया। उन यादों में क्यों याद करें, यादों में क्यों वक्त बर्बाद करें, पीछे मुड़कर देखना नहीं, मैदान बहुत बाकी है, मेरी पहचान अभी बाकी है, मेरी पहचान अभी बाकी है। थैंक यू। So,
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
thank you. So, can we have a group photograph, please? Please just switch on your cameras. I'm not getting that. Yes, switch on your cameras. Yes, now.